Imagine walking into a salon, but there is no a hairstylist. Instead, an AI powered robot scans your hair, analyzes your curl patterns, and styles it to perfection without a single human touch. Sounds futuristic, right? Or maybe it is terrifying. But here is the question: will AI replace hairstylists? And can AI influencers take over the beauty industry? The answer isn't as simple as you think. Now, we are already seeing AI model gracing magazines covers, selling beauty products, and influencing even the trends online without ever existing in real life. In 2023 alone, AI generated influencers like Lily and other shoot Graham made millions in brand deals. So what does this mean for real human hairstylists and also influencers? Let's break down and have this discussion. Now, as a disclaimer, all the images that you are seeing on the screen, they are actually AI generated for the purpose of the video, like in terms of illustration and also for entertainment. Now, can AI really replace a hairstylist? In today's world, technology has actually disrupted almost every industry. Let's talk about banking, journalism, even music. AI is already replacing customer service agents. It is already replacing receptionists and factory workers. But hairstyling, that's personal, huh? That's an art. Yes, AI can generate realistic hairstyle previews or maybe images before you even touch your hair. Yes, AI powered robots can wash and dry hair in some high-tech salons. And yes, AI is even being trained to analyze scalp health and also recommend products. But can a robot feel the texture of fussy curls? Can it understand the cultural, emotional connection we have with our hair? Can it give that personal touch, literally? The truth is, AI is a tool, a powerful tool. But replacing human hairstylists entirely, that's not happening anytime soon. Let's talk about the influencers. What about AI influencers? Are real beauty creators in danger? Now, this is where it gets interesting. AI influencers don't have bad hair days. They don't miss deadlines. They don't demand higher pay. And that's why big brands love them. But here is the catch: AI influencers lack authenticity. People follow real influencers because they relate to them. They trust their real lives and also their struggles, experiences, and opinions. AI influencers may look perfect just the same way you are seeing on the screen, but they can't share their real natural hair journey. They can't give honest reviews from personal experience. The demand for real, relatable human influencers isn't going away. If anything, it's getting stronger. So, how do you stay ahead in the AI era? Instead of fearing AI, hairstylists and beauty influencers should learn how to use it. Hairstylists can use AI to preview hairstyles for clients. They can also, for instance, influencers can use AI to edit photos, create content faster, and analyze trends. Brands can mix AI models with real influencers for maximum impact. The future isn't about AI replacing humans. The future is about humans who know how to use AI. Now, this is my final thoughts. Maybe the reality check. AI is changing the game, but it can never replace human creativity or maybe human emotions or even real experiences. So if you are you are a hairstylist, or maybe if you are a beauty influencer, or just someone who loves their hair, adapt, learn, and embrace the future. AI is here to assist, not to replace. But tell me, will you let a robot do your hair? Will you trust an AI influencer's beauty advice? Let's talk in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe for more deep dive discussion on AI, beauty, and also the future. And by the way, if you're wondering how did I make this from image to video, these are all generated from Design AI and also from image to video AI powered maybe website called Clinked AI. I'm gonna leave the link in the description so that you can also try and see how the outcomes, or maybe how you can create your own AI influencers, even though, like we said, they are not going to replace human stylists or human real influencers. Tell me in the comment section, what do you think? Until next time, guys, I'll see you. Bye bye.